In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Trust Wallet on your browser. We'll walk through the entire process, from downloading the extension to creating or importing a wallet. So grab your computer and let's get started. First, we need to visit the Trust Wallet webpage. Open up your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, Brave, or any other Chromium-based browser you prefer. Once it's open, go to the website https://trustwallet.com/browser extension. You should see an option that says Download for Chrome. Don't worry if you're not using Chrome. This button will work for other Chromium-based browsers too. Once you click Download for Chrome, you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you'll see the option to Add to Chrome. Click on that, and then there will be a confirmation prompt that asks if you want to add the extension. Confirm this by clicking Add Extension. Now, the Trust Wallet extension will download and install automatically. Once it's finished, you should see the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's extensions bar, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Next, it's time to create a new wallet. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen on the Trust Wallet extension. Here, click on Create a New Wallet. Now, it's very important to set a strong password. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long. A strong password is vital for the protection of your wallet. Once you're satisfied with your password, click Continue. With your new wallet ready to go, it's crucial to back up your recovery phrase for security. You'll see an option that says Reveal Secret Phrase. Click on it and you'll be presented with your 12-word recovery phrase. Make sure to write this phrase down and store it offline in a safe place. This phrase is essential for recovering your wallet if you ever need to access it from a different device or browser. Once you've carefully noted down your recovery phrase, you'll need to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. After this, click Continue. And that's it. You've successfully created your new Trust Wallet. If you already have a wallet and wish to import it, there's a straightforward process for that as well. On the welcome screen, instead of creating a new wallet, click on Import Wallet. You'll need to enter your 12-word recovery phrase for your existing wallet. After that, you'll set a new password. Once that's done, click Import, and your existing wallet will be ready to use with Trust Wallet. And there you have it. Whether you're creating a new wallet or importing an existing one, you'll be set up with Trust Wallet in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy managing your cryptocurrency.